Inadequate planning and research. Now that we have covered choosing the right breeds, let's shift our focus to the importance of planning and research. One of the most common mistakes beginners make is diving into goat farming without a comprehensive business plan. A well thought out plan should include details on your budget, expected expenses, projected profits, and overarching goals. Consider breaking down your plan into key sections such as initial setup costs, ongoing expenses, and potential revenue streams. By having a clear roadmap, you will be better prepared for the financial aspects of goat farming.